শুভ বিজয়া। May this Vijaya light up for you the hopes of happy times and dreams for a year full of smiles. Shubho Vijaya again. But CSR NET has November, so let's see the some example of CSR NET of countability. Let's see one example of CSR NET. Which of the following sets are uncountable? 1. The set of all function R201. Let's see first option. At first, if domain, let A be the domain, and domain has element x1, x2, x3 xm, and B be the codomain, and B has element y1, y2 yn, then x can map y1, x1 can map y1, also x1 can map y2, also x1 can map yn. That means x1 can map y1, y2 yn. That means x1 have n choices. Okay. Similarly, x2 can map n times. That means x2 have also n choices. Similarly, xm have also n choices, and total number of function n dot n m times. That means n to the power m. That means cardinality of B to the power cardinality of A. Okay? Have you understood? My first option is set of all function R201, and the formula is cardinality of B to the power cardinality of A. Here A equal to R and B equal to 01. The formula is B to the power cardinality of B to the power cardinality of A, and we all of us know cardinality of A equal to C. That means 2 to the power C, which is equal to C. So option 1 is true. Set of all function from R201 uncountable. Okay. Second option is set of all function natural number 201. Let's see the second option. Here natural number 201. Cardinality of natural number is alif naught, and cardinality of 01 is 2. That means 2 to the power alif naught, which is equal to C. So second option is also true. Set of all function natural number 201 always uncountable. Third option is set of all finite subset of natural number. Think it. Finite subset. So A can be x1, x2 xn, and since it is finite subset of natural number, so x1 can be any natural number, and choice for x1 cardinality of natural number, who is alif naught. Choice for x2 equal to also alif not. Similarly, choice for xn equal to alif not. That means total possibility of numbers equal to alif not times alif not times alif not. This is n times. Okay, that means alif not to the power n. This is finite Cartesian product of countable set. We all of us know finite Cartesian product of countable set is countable. So this is always countable. Okay, that means option 3 is wrong. Fourth option is set of all subset of natural number. I have discussed this in my previous video. Set of all subset of natural number means power set of natural number, and power set of natural number always equal to R. That means C. That means always uncountable. Okay, that means option 4 also true. I think you are all of us understand. If you have any question, you can ask me in my description box. Okay, let's see the next question. What is A? A equal to A from natural number to 0 1. That means this set always belongs to A. Okay, that means if x belongs to power set of natural number, that imply fx belongs to A. Okay, now if x not equal to y, then f of x not equal to f of y. Okay, now define phi from power set of natural number to A as phi of x equal to fx, and phi is always 1 1 and on 2. Okay, so this function is equivalent to power set of natural number. So f from n to 0 1 always uncountable. Okay, my next question of CSR net is which of the following functions are uncountable? First option, f from natural number to 1 2. Okay, I have understand this set. Now I will apply just theorem. Natural number to 1 2. That means the formula is b to the power cardinality of b to the power cardinality of a. That means 2 to the power alif naught, and this is equal to c. So first option is true. Okay. The second option is f from 1 to the natural number. That means alif naught square, and alif naught square is always countable. Okay, that means second option is wrong. And what is third option? This is look like just, but here restricted. What is restricted? F of 1 strictly less than equal to f of 2. That means this is subset of this function. If this function is countable, then any subset must be countable. So this option also wrong. Fourth option is this set. But this is restricted, so this is also subset of this set. Since this set is uncountable, so it is must be uncountable. So option 1 and option 4 are true. Alright.